Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of the weekend edition. Saturday, Sunday, June the 1st and the 2nd, 2024. It's actually today as Sunday. And I've already solved two puzzles. The 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. This one I have a lot of problems. But we solve it again. And two puzzles left. The 4 star Sudoku and the binary. And it's time now for the binary puzzle. Yes. Binary puzzle number 8644. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Number 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1. So the rest are O's. Between the 1s comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. And now we need to think. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 2 minutes. Wow! We solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle this afternoon, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.